Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can get subscription feature on Instagram. So for that, open up your Instagram, and after going to the creators page, and this is the post where we will see how we can get subscription directly from the Instagram. And this feature is currently rolled out by Instagram only in US, and this feature will be rolled out to the rest of the world by Instagram in the coming days. And the eligibility for getting subscription button or the feature in your Instagram account is you must have at least 10,000 followers and must be over 18 year and be US based for now. That's the eligibility criteria, and you must also have a professional account. And on top of that, one must pass the Instagram's monetization policy just like the YouTube's. So after completing all these terms and conditions, then you will be able to see subscription enabling feature in your profile and on the professional dashboard. And that's how you get it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.